Hi everybody, for this week video I present you my ADDI fingerless mitten made on a 46 needle knitting machine. Start by the black needle, one in the front, one in the back for the first row. I start with waste yarn, that's why you see a 5 and a W on the side. That's mean, that's mean waste yarn. So I continue like this and I crank. Time to switch with the project yarn, so I will put that aside like this, open the yarn feeder, close it and crank again. And I will need 2 white and then 5 red. Do the little knot and then crank again. I will switch colors a lot of time, but don't worry, the recipe will be on the screen soon and you could put your video on pause and take the note in your notebook. So I share how I start with the waste yarn, I will switch colors, and now it's time to finish with waste yarn. Just put the yarn in there, I don't attach it. I will do 5 rows, and when there's no more yarn coming through the yarn feeder, the project will release it by itself because it will remove it from the little needle on it. So that's it. Now it's time to just tie the little knot and cut the excess of yarn like this. Always be careful not to cut your project. It could happen, accident happen. So be careful. Like this. And time to stretch your work. Now it's time to close the tube. For the tube I will use a hook number 4.5, 4 or 5.5, whatever you have on your desk, working desk. So I grab 1 stitch on the side, 1 stitch on the other side. So you could see how it's important to use contrasting yarn when you do waste yarn at the beginning and at the end. Voila. So you do all the row like this till you get to the tail of white and your last stitch to end it. Like this. Make sure you grab all the stitches, very important. As you could see, I already did the other end of this tube and I share with you this one. There is always a easy part and a harder part to remove the waste yarn. The harder is the one that you cast on at the beginning. That's why there's a little knot that you have to remove. But the end of it, it's always easy to remove because it was it's done by the machine. Sorry, I got some blank sometime. So continue with the recipe. So now it's time to press pause. Take note, I have the large, the small and the medium. So I start always with waste yarn, 5 and the W is the waste yarn, and end it with the waste yarn. So 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5 for the large, and 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5 for the medium, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5 for the small. So take note on the screen. Thank you. So time to attach it together, both hands. It's like a FAUX graft. I'll just grab 1 full stitch on the side and 1 full stitch on the other side. And for my ends, I grab 6 stitch on both sides, and it fit my hands. You just have to put your hand in it to see if it will fix. Pull like this and put your hand in it. So 6 do the trick. So time to do the double knot. This, I count 6 column. I put my hook in it so it's easy to not lose it, and I will go with my wool needle in between the 2 layers, join my hook and do my double layer, and not layer, double knot. So like this there, and then I continue with the FAUX graft there. Almost finished. Keep in mind that you have to do the second one after. I just show one. I think you will be okay making the other one. There. Almost finished. Da da da. Oh la la. Keep going. And then attach it with that double knot. Pull, 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 magic, and then you try it after. But I'm finished with the knot, like this. Hide it between the 2 layers, cut the excess, and ta-da! It's done. Hope you enjoyed this little video. See you next week for a new video. Ciao, ciao. Oh, I forgot. I have to cut the excess there. And now I'll really finish my work.